Are you overwhelmed by the number of cleaning supplies in the market? It's easy to get lost in the myriad of options, from multi-surface cleaners to specialized tools. But what if we told you that a minimalistic approach could be just as effective, if not more? Welcome to the world of efficient cleaning, where less truly is more. Today we're simplifying the cleaning process, focusing on the few essential supplies you need. No more clutter, no more confusion. Instead, a streamlined, efficient, and effective cleaning routine awaits. Step 1 is to declutter. Remove any unnecessary items from the area you're cleaning. This makes the whole process smoother and easier. Remember, a tidy space is easier to clean than a cluttered one. Next, gather your minimalistic cleaning arsenal. All you really need are 3 basic items: a good quality microfiber cloth, a versatile all-purpose cleaner, and a sturdy scrub brush. The microfiber cloth is the star of the show. It acts as a magnet for dust and dirt, trapping them within its fibers. It's also reusable, which is a win for the environment. The all-purpose cleaner is your go-to for most surfaces. It's designed to tackle a variety of messes, from kitchen counters to bathroom tiles. The scrub brush, on the other hand, is your heavy-duty tool. It comes into play when you're dealing with stubborn dirt or grime. Now the cleaning process. Start by dusting surfaces with your microfiber cloth. Then, spray your all-purpose cleaner and let it do its magic for a few minutes. Give it a gentle scrub with your brush if needed, then wipe clean with your cloth. Repeat the process as necessary. It's that simple. No need for a plethora of cleaning supplies. The magic lies in how you use the tools at your disposal. The right technique, combined with a few essential supplies, can make your cleaning routine more efficient and less daunting. To summarize, decluttering your space makes the cleaning process smoother. A microfiber cloth, an all-purpose cleaner, and a scrub brush are the only supplies you really need. The cleaning process involves dusting, spraying, waiting, scrubbing if necessary, and then wiping clean. It's a simple, streamlined process that requires minimal supplies but delivers maximum results. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed by the cleaning aisle in the store, remember this: less is more. Efficient cleaning doesn't require a mountain of supplies, just the right tools, the right technique, and a bit of elbow grease. Happy cleaning.